Well, having done this for almost 35 years, if I was looking for a personal injury lawyer, the first thing I would do is look to that person's experience in the area that you expect the case to be in. For example, if it's a motor vehicle case, you want to have an attorney that has handled motor vehicle accidents, has had experience handling motor vehicle accidents, has been to trial trying motor vehicle accident cases. You want a firm that's large enough that they can adequately fund your case. If you need an expert, for example, either on the liability end, some engineer to talk about why this accident and this injury occurred, and also on the medical end to bring your doctors to trial or to take their depositions by videotape to be presented to the jury at trial. And these experts, both mechanical or engineering and medical, are very expensive. So the law firm has to be able to have the financial wherewithal, not just the experience, but the financial wherewithal to support the bills that are going to be incurred in getting your case, if needed, to trial. You need to pick out an attorney with a temperament, a personality that you can get along with, because it's very important that the client and the attorney are able to communicate with one another and to work with one another, because this is a fairly involved and sometimes long procedure from the time of an accident until the time that a trial, if it's needed, is concluded. So you're really looking for someone with experience. Sometimes also you need to look at the undergraduate degree. If this is going to be an area where there's an engineering issue, you may want someone that has an engineering undergraduate degree. And you also need to make sure that the law firm is adequately funded, that they can take these cases to trial. You want to know about whether or not they do go to trial, because many attorneys will advertise and hold themselves out as trial lawyers, and they don't go to trial. They settle everything. And if you get with a law firm that settles everything, over time the insurance companies know who these law firms are, and they throw them crumbs, so to speak, knowing that they are not the hammer that will take them to trial. And so you need to go with a law firm that has the ability and the history and the financial wherewithal to take your case to trial in case it needs to be tried. And so those are some of the things that I would look for if I was picking a personal injury lawyer for a personal injury claim.